Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see the cat, Tiny, the program director. For you new subscribers, he is getting all kinds of fucked up on that catnip in there. He literally broke that off the fucking table because he opened it and sat his fat ass in there, and he broke that. And now he's found the catnip bag that I've had to remove, and he is just immersed high as a motherfucker on this catnip right now. Look at him, Tiny. See, he loves that catnip, right? So the program director is going to clean himself up. And I'm going to go over some coins. Oh, we had a coin request. That's why this video is coming on. Emergency alert video. Breaking news. VGCI news and Weather Authority is breaking your regularly scheduled program right now to interrupt you with a significant coin request from my man that brings in all these fantastic coins. Johnny D, he would like COTI. Let's go see if we can't find that for him. He loves these new coins. He just finds all kinds of exciting coins to bring into the Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Show, right? And it's fascinating. He contributes to the channel by watching videos, sharing, bringing new coins. Every now and then he sprinkles a donation in there. But his enthusiasm and his COTI, his enthusiasm for the show and how committed he is and brings content and entertainment and value to the show is just immense. We appreciate your support, Johnny D, and we'll be glad. And we'll add this, just like your FTM. I forget that other coin that you brought to the table. I will put this into the show and bring you up-to-the-date technical analysis every now and then, just like the XYO and the FTM and the key I believe you brought to the table too. We'll make those regularly scheduled, and we'll try to keep you updated on these. Oh, we had a big pump today. That's why you're noticing this. It'd be nice if you gave me some information, Johnny D, from time to time. Have you been in the coin, or you know what I mean? Like, so I know what you're doing, or are you just looking at it? So this coin's relatively new too. See, like I say, Johnny D brings out all these new coins, right? So what we're gonna do here, like we always do, links are above or below in the description. If you want to donate to the channel or use any of my links, they support the channel and they give you free stuff when you use them. I get free stuff, you get free stuff. Supports the channel. It's a win-win for everybody. That's how we work here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. So right off the bat, you see we have key uptrending support right here. And this is a critical box right here. This purple box. This is a critical support and resistance box. And actually, this is your last line of defense on this new coin. We're going to make it right here because this is critical support and resistance right there, as long as the coin's been alive, which is not very long. And if we put some industry exclusive, channel exclusive price notes, you can see today you have major overhead support now that you broke out of in this short span of the coin right there. And then we're going to clone that. And then you got major underneath resistance down here. I wish it would come in front of it. Down here at 33.5 cents, right? We'll change that to make this a little different color. Change that to a nice light blue. We got to change that too. Settings. So we got to go in here. We'll make that a nice fiery red. So you can see we're starting some nonsense over there. You have major, what I think you're going to do now, Johnny D, is if we look at what we were, you slut bag. Get back in here. If I had to guess, based on just what I'm looking at here, what I would say we're going to do, we might have already done it. Let's get in and see. That's why we always start at the daily time frame or the far out time frame to make it super simple and easy. And now you can see in the hour time frame with our industry exclusive drawing tool, you got that big wick there. That means there's a lot of sell pressure up there, a lot of bears up there, just waiting to nail it. Bam, shooting it right down. Right, there's a duck hunter up there. And if we zoom in a little bit more, fucker, to the 15-minute time frame, you can see what I was suspecting up there is what's going to go on now is you're going to come back test this, right? You're going to back test this old critical upper resistance now acting as lower support where we put that beautiful price note out there. We'll zoom that in here. Get over here. God, how far out can that fucker be? Obviously really far out. There it is. I think we're coming back down to major underneath support, right? And now we're going to do something even better for you to make these nice and beautiful. We're going to go with an industry exclusive call, right? We're going to have that slanted back here just a tad. Major underneath support. Major underneath support. We can see that right there. Hey, welcome back, buddy. A program director just got out of his box that we showed you that he was in earlier, getting all fucked up on some drugs. Cat drugs, right? So there's your major underneath support. And if you break down past there, I think you would have a swift, hard, and fast move down. All the way down here. Put a little price note. I think you would come all the way down to the top of the shit, or get my shit together box, right? And that would be a nice spot for a bounce, right? And we're going to put a little note there. Super simple and easy to trade this market, right? Make this a little different color. Make this a blue. Possible bounce. After break down. Possible breakdown from 0.4869. It's funny that it ends up on that. .4869. Bam. See that? So now you got that all ready for you. Oh, we gotta lock that. Lock. Look at, so here's what you got going on, Johnny D. You got your possible. You got your major underneath support. How is that still way out there? I just moved it. Possible major underneath support 0.484, or major underneath support 0.4845. And if you can't hold that critical level and come back up for a fabulous, glowing, gorgeous, all jabroni enticing double top, you're going to come all the way down to that 38 cents and then flirt with the get my shit together or last line of defense zone. So I would pay attention if you're in this coin or you're just trying to trade it. I think you're coming back down to the aforementioned. Wow, it's so crazy that that's still so far out. The aforementioned 0.4864. I think you have to come down and retest this. I think you're coming down to retest that, right? And then it's going to be up to the bulls to see if they can fight off the bears and continue to move up, right? Come down, retest, and then continue the bull market. Or do you come up for a double top and crash like a motherfucker? Or do you fail to hold this and you dump, right? So pay attention. This is your critical support. And often in the 3-hour time frame, I like that these like to come to the moving, but these moving averages are way down there because the coin's new. But that's what I would look for. See if you can't hold that 0.4845 level. And if you can't, you're coming back down with our industry exclusive measuring tool right around current price. You would have a swift and hard, about a 33.5% crash down to 0.38 cents, right? So pay attention to that 0.48 critical upper resistance or lower support because you traded out of the symmetrical triangle in the early nature of the coin, right? So it's going to have to back test. If it can hold, you can pop up. If it can't hold, you're going to trade back down into this triangle, right? I hope that gave you a little bit of insight there. Just like if we go back and look at that FTM when you first brought this new coin to the market, I believe we were in a rising channel. We were, you see that? And we showed you how, look at that, it hit our target again beautifully. See that? All the way down right to the at 0.94800, and it hit just above that. See that? And then we showed you how you could come up and then how you could come back down, because we know the ultimate target is down here at the bottom of the wedge, is 84 cents, which we essentially almost hit that. So another phenomenal call by Vincenzo when Johnny D brought this coin to old Vincenzo's attention. This coin was way up there, right? And we kept him in the game. We kept him on top of things. I want to say the coin I got, it was either this pump or this pump. I want to say it was this pump because I remember it coming back down, and then I remember it coming back up, and then we had to discuss it again up here, and I told you it's going to back test this, and if it couldn't hold this, it was going to trade down to the lower trend line in this rising channel, and if it broke that, you're going to come to the 200-day moving average, and then the rest is history. So Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, even with the brief coin history and the brief knowledge of the coin, was able to diagnose, snip out, detect what was going on up top here in this choppy topping pattern, sidestepping and audibling the criminal gangster cartel and the fleecers, heisters, and hustlers and shysters and charlatans that try to squeeze and bleed the retail trader out of every last dime they got and walk away with all the fucking money. But not here. Oh, no, not Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. You have a higher financial IQ and trading IQ, so you can overt and subvert the overters and subverters and fleece, heist, and shice and squeeze squeeze and fleece and heist them, right? The charlatans and the market manipulators. Stick with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and I'll keep giving you this up-to-the-date technical analysis, breaking news. Remember, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing is sponsored by VGCI News Weather Authority, and they also sponsor Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing at a Glance on Twitter. Remember to check me out on Twitter. We've gained another follower. Twitter at a Glance, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter. Also, VGCI News and Weather Authority sponsors Michigan Snow Forecast Gold Standard. Check me out here. This is my winter weather page, where I would much rather talk about than the coins every day. So we do extensive updates in the wintertime on seasonal, monthly, weekly, and winter storm tracks before the storm hits, when the players are on the field, live tracking of a storm and post-storm, right? So follow me there. Once again, VGCI News Weather Authority sponsors Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, Twitter at a Glance, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Twitter, and they also sponsor Michigan Snow Forecast Gold Standard, right? We're expanding the content, expanding the studio, expanding the office. Peace and love. Peace and love.